bottoms in my mouth, go, go, go. Go bottoms in my mouth, go. Go bottoms in my mouth, go, go, go. Go bottoms in my mouth, go. Go bottoms in my mouth, go, go, go. Go bottoms in my mouth, go. Go bottoms in my mouth, go, go, go. Go bottoms in my mouth, go. Go bottoms in my mouth. Go bottoms in my mouth, mouth. Go bottoms in my mouth, mouth. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. About to go down. Go bottoms in my mouth, mouth. Go bottoms in my mouth, mouth. Go bottoms in my mouth, mouth. Go bottoms in my Go mouth. Go bottoms in my mouth, mouth. Go bottoms in my mouth, mouth.
Love, sure ka na ba? Wala nang, bawian.
Basta kayo. Yes! Basta kayo, pre. Papogi nyo. Ang papogi nyo, pre.
Met you on the run, I was chasing time. You were just a laugh, not yet mine. Saturn lang, walang halong seryoso. But your eyes, they told a story I didn't know. Every step from jokes to care, di ko na malayan, you were always there. Emmanuel, God is with us, and through you I feel His love. Salamat sa'yo, mahal kong AJ. Di na ako mag-iisa, come what may. You're my forever, my answered prayer. Hawak kamay through joy and despair. Bundok man ang harapin, I'm never alone. You held my hand, made the climb feel like home. Kasama ang barkada, pero mata mo'y sa'kin lang. Laging nakalalay kahit pagod ka na rin naman. With every step you lead the way, alaga mo'y ramdam, araw man o ulan.
Take this woman to be your wife, to love her, to comfort her, and to provide for her as long as you both shall live.
Yes na yes po, pa. Ay, pastor.
Di na ako mag-iisa, come what may. You're my forever, my miracle true. Laging kasama sa hirap at ginhawa too. And now here we stand, no need to pretend. You're more than a partner, you're my best friend. Minsan ba nga yan, madalas tawanan, pero ikaw pa rin ang tahanan.
Please welcome to our family at habaan mo ang pasensya mo.
That's enough, salamat sa'yo, mahal kong AJ. Di na ako mag-iisa, come what may. You're my forever, my answered prayer. Hawak kamay hanggang sa dulo ng forever.
Parang kailan lang sinasabi ko sa'yo na ayoko nang magkaroon ng asawa. Hindi dahil ayoko may makasama sa buhay, kundi dahil pagod na ako sa gulo. Gusto na lang maging masaya mag-isa. Akala ko sapat na yun para sa akin. Ngunit nakita ng Diyos na mas mainam na ako ay may kasama. Masabi ko ang sarap sumunod at magkaroon ng asawa. Lalo na kang katulad mo ang makakasama sa buhay.
Dati ang sabi ko, ayoko sa'yo. Una kasi pasaway ka. Pangalawa, seaman ka. Ayoko magmahal ng taong iiwan din naman ako mag-isa. God gave me the security I was praying for. He already gave me Emmanuel. Hindi na ako mag-iisa kasi binigay ka na niya sa akin.
Saksi ang langit sa atin.
The reality of marriage is not about loving. It's not about the goosebumps. It's not about the romantic feeling. It's a commitment. You see, it's never just about the two of you. Kinakasal kayong dalawa, nakasama siya.
Ito'y hindi panaginip lang. Di gumagalaw ang
Ikaw ang sagot ng Diyos sa panalangin, minsan ko nang muntik sukuan. Ngunit sa kabila ng lahat ng takot, pagdududa, at kahinaan ko, nandyan ka pa rin. Tinanggap mo ako ng buong buo, bukas palad, sa kabila ng aking makasalanan at magulong nakaraan.
Loving you taught me that strength and softness can exist in the same heartbeat. Tapos na ang pagiging Disney dragon ko. Because with you, I feel safe, calm, and love.
Aging, mahalin mo si welcome to the family.
Alagaan mabuti mo. Salamat.
You are now married in the eyes of God and men. You may now kiss and embrace your bride, Hazel.
Hazel, ikaw ang sagot sa matagal ko nung panalangin. Kahit noong panahong akala ko ay hindi na ako karapat dapat pang humiling. Ikaw ang patunay na ang Diyos ay tapat at ibinigay niya ang lahat ng sa tama at perpektong panahon.
saksi ang langit sa atin. Saksi ang langit. Di gumagalaw ang
Sa saya at sa pagsubok, sa ginhawa at sa hirap, sasamahan kita sa pananampalataya. Iingatan ang puso mo at mamahalin ka habang buhay. Mahal na mahal kita, Hazel, at habang buhay kitang pipiliin.
halika't sumayaw sa ilalim ng bituin. Habang ako'y nakatingin sa'yo, wala na akong ibang mahihiling. Saksi ang langit sa atin.
Today is my assurance to you, wala nang what if. Ikaw ang pinili ko at pipiliin kita araw-araw habang buhay. I love you so much, my love.